Howdy, we're going to talk about some Metamask today. Metamask is a wallet that you can store cryptocurrency in. You can also utilize it to transfer crypto to and from certain sites, websites. So what we're going to do is set up a Metamask wallet today. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty easy, just a couple of steps. Just kind of follow what I do here, and we'll get you going. So you want to go to the MetaMask website, metamask.io, and then we're going to hit download. Let's back over here. All right, so when you download it, it's going to give you, it's going to default to whatever browser you're using. I'm going to click on install MetaMask because it's in Chrome, because it sees I'm using the Chrome browser. This works for all browsers. It'll just default to whatever browser you have. So we're going to install that. I'm going to add this to Chrome and add extension once a little pop-up comes up. All right, so that is downloading and installing in the background. And here you can see it has been added to Chrome, and then it's going to bring you to the MetaMask website to get a to start an account up. So let's get that started. Alrighty, so first things first, we need to create a wallet, and that's going to require us to create a secret recovery phase. The secret recovery phase is set up so that once you set up your you have a password and a secret recovery phrase. Your password is whatever you want to make it, but let's say you forget what your password is, and then you need to access your account, but there's no customer service in decentralized finance. So you need to have a backup plan to get to your account, and that's what a secret recovery phrase is. So if you ever lose your password, you use this phrase to to basically set up a new password and get back online onto your site, and to be able to access your wallet, So we're going to set that up, and we first have to set up a password. So just use something you will remember. Oh no, that didn't mix. All right, I have read and agree. Sure. All right. Watch this little video. It'll just give you some pointers about securing your wallet and some good ideas, because it's your lifeline to your wallet. You won't be able to access your funds if you lose this. So super important that you save this recovery phrase. So the phrase is 12 words. So you just got to click that little box and it opens them up. So from here, I'm just going to copy. Right click, copy, and then I'm going to go down and open up a new text document, and I am going to paste them in there. And let's see if y'all saw that. Did you? Oh yeah, we're still doing screen. So there's all the words. So what we do next is we have to put them back in order of the phrase. So we'll have to hit final, critic, slender, example, injury, crunch, blade, prosper, opera, in that order. So we just punch it in here. Let's see, I'm going to make this a little smaller. There we go. All right, and we'll put that there. So we're gonna go rent. Oh, is that still streaming? Yeah, it is. Cool. All right, rent, faculty, keep, final, critic, slender, example, injury, crunch, blade, prosper, opera. Confirm. All done. All right, little pop-up comes up. We don't need this anymore. All right, so this is whatever is an update for the MetaMask. All right, so this is the website that basically allows you to do everything that the little pop-up does. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this out because I'd rather show you when you click on the MetaMask, it pops up as a little, oh crap, sorry. Opens up as a little pop-up. So now you can access everything from here. First things first, you're going to default to the Ethereum mainnet. That's basically the Ethereum network. You can add other networks up here. Right now it defaults to Ethereum. You can add users here. You can have different users with different wallets. So that's a good way to organize your stuff. And then here is your wallet address. You're going to need this wallet address. You're going to have to copy this and put it other places if you want to transfer money from other platforms to your MetaMask wallet. So you're going to need that. That's important. Here's how much Ethereum you have, assets. As you get other tokens, they'll be listed here. And that's about it for MetaMask. I'm going to go on to my other browser, which I have some funds set up, and I've got it synced up with a couple websites, or I can show you how to sync it up with a couple websites. So when I'm here, I need to log in first and foremost. All right, so I'm logging into my other account. Here's my wallet address. I have, if you look at assets, I have for Ethereum. Got a little strong in there, so nothing big. I usually just use this to transfer funds into another platform through this platform. So if I go to a website like Titano and open up their app.titano.finance, basically I can sync this site up to my wallet in my browser by connecting wallet. It's pretty, and then they talk to each other. So right now you'll see your wallet balance is 0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my wallet, and it's asking me to switch to the Binance Smart Chain. Titano runs on a different network. It's not on the Ethereum network. It's on the Binance network. So it's asking me to switch networks. So I'm going to do that. So normally you won't have to do that for other things, but if you are trading on the Binance network, you're going to need to do that. Most things are on the Ethereum network though. All right, so as you can see here, the amount of tokens I had in my account is now showing here on the Titano website. So I'm just going to open this up, and you can come down here, and there's my Titano, and there's my Titano. So they sync up every time I log in. So that's when you connect the wallet. And so let's say you're staking some Titano coins on the app. You can just log in and connect the wallet, and it'll update what you've staked or what you've made since your last login. So as this goes up on the website, when you log in again, this will update. These will sync up. So you'll always have your updated amount in your wallet accessible to do whatever with. So pretty cool stuff. Really important though that when you are when you go to a website where it connects wallets, where you have this address is in this little box here, that means your wallet is connected. Before just Xing out of the screen, you want to disconnect from the website by just clicking on your little icon, this little circle, and you're going to go lock. And that's going to basically, it's going to disable your connection with that website. So you're no longer chatting with that website. So if I refresh the page, you're going to notice this 10,000 is going to go down to 0 because now it's not connected to my wallet. So that's how you connect wallets to websites. That's a little bit more advanced, but just get the MetaMask wallet set up, and then you'll be able to start playing with it and see how it interacts with different websites. So that is my tutorial for setting up a MetaMask wallet and how you use it a little bit. So let me know if you have any problems or any questions. Put them down in the comments below, or just hit me up directly. Because if you're watching this, you probably know me. All right, thanks. Have your best day ever.